Hey, welcome back DIYers. So I'm in my storeroom here to talk about some stuff that I kind of don't really like talking about, but I saw a video the other day from JW Case about where Harley Davidson filters are made and their quality, and it kind of spurred me on to make this video to talk about some things that I've been seeing going on in the supply chain and whatnot. But in that video from JW Case, he was basically comparing an older filter made in Taiwan to a newer filter made in USA, and the USA filter was garbage. You should really go check out that video. It's pretty interesting. But just thinking about that for a minute, what's going on in Taiwan right now? I'm sure you guys have heard it in the news, right? And it made me think about all the different stuff that I have that's made in Taiwan. I have lots of different tools made in Taiwan, some you've even seen on this channel. And of course, we have lots of parts coming from abroad as well. For example, we have some tie rods that are made in Taiwan, an AC Delco made in China. This Beck Arnley is made in Korea. NGKs, those guys are from Japan. And Wix here, Wix is made in China, at least this particular filter is. Some other ones are made in USA or Germany because, you know, they merged with Man Hummel. But this particular one's made in China. And, you know, what's going on in China right now? You guys think we might actually see some possibility of sanctions or something like that and not be able to get parts? I don't know. Think about it. And you know, if some interesting things do happen, and let's say the US Navy is more engaged in activities than keeping shipping lanes safe, do you think we'll keep seeing things from Korea or Japan? Might be a little difficult to get things from that area. And while I'm sitting here looking at Wix, I also want to point out that over the last year, they have raised their prices 3 times. I got 3 different notifications of like a 9% increase, then an 11% increase, and a 13% increase. So of course, prices are going up as well. Now, I'm not pointing out all this stuff to get you guys scared or worried. I actually want you guys to get prepared. A big reason of why you see all this crap behind me is that I saw changes that were happening in the supply chain over the last couple of years, and I wanted to stock up on things for myself. So I went out and found deals and just bought extra. And of course, all this stuff is listed on bookautoworks.com/shop, so you can get it too. But I really bought all this stuff just for me because, you know, I work on a lot of my own cars, right? And I didn't want to be caught out unprepared for upcoming geopolitical issues, let's just say. And I don't like talking about that sort of stuff on this channel. This is a car channel. I just like doing fun car things and DIY projects and teaching you guys and encouraging you guys how to DIY as well. But these things are going to be affecting all of us, so it's something that we need to be aware of. And to that point, you probably won't hear me talk about any of this stuff ever again. Maybe I'll complain about it sometime in Roaster Rants or something like that. But if you want to follow someone who's really on top of things as far as supply chain issues, things that are happening in the economy and whatnot, go check out Economic Ninja. I've been following the Economic Ninja for a while, and he's really on top of things. He usually puts out a couple of videos a day talking about just how the economy is going, supply chain issues, getting prepared, not being scared. And overall, he just seems like a nice dude. So, you know, go check out his channel. And again, something I definitely don't want to talk about on this channel is the greater geopolitical nonsense. So I really recommend going and checking out Peter Zeihan's channel. I definitely don't agree with him on a lot of different stuff, but I think he does really solid research in geopolitical issues and really has a good finger on the pulse of the world. So yeah, I hope this video gave you all something to think about. You know, I said, I'm not trying to get you guys scared or anything. I just want you to be prepared. Maybe stock up on some extra oil filters, belts, you know, things that you know you're going to change. Just have a few extra just in case things get a little weird. So share this video out to someone who you think might need help getting prepared as well, and give us a thumbs up too. It really helps the channel out. Hey, and hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Thanks again.